they sleeping on me. But I don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Ooh, the real ones ain't knowing the ones that do not, I don't need. Cause most see the vision and I give reasons.
So you guys, I am back with a brand new, completely different type of video. As you guys know, we are in the middle of a pandemic and nail salons, are closed, some are open. Or you just have people like myself who's not really feeling comfortable with going into nail salons just at the moment. So I decided to pick up a new hobby on top of all the other hats that I wear. But just a little background, before the pandemic, I was a faithful nail salon goer. I went every 2 weeks for my full sets, my fill-ins, pedicures, all that good jazz. I never missed my appointments. But now that some nail salons are open, I guess I'm at a particular stage to where I'm not comfortable with going to places, especially if I don't have to. Literally the only place I go now is to the grocery store and to pick up like household need items like at Target or something like that. But if I don't have to go, I don't. But anyway, so I decided to take upon myself to learn how to do my own nails. And I started off with PolyGel because I've been hearing everyone rave about how easy it is and, oh, it's just the best and yada, yada, yada. So I decided to try it out for myself. And you guys, they were not lying when they said it was very, 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 very easy to work with. So because this isn't, like a tutorial on how I do polygel nails, I'm just really gonna quickly go over the pros and the cons of polygel nails, because I definitely think it's beginner friendly. So the first thing as a pro is really the time that you have with working with the product. You have time to maneuver and perfect the application. You can add more if it's not enough. You can take away if you added too much. It's really just that easy to apply and mold into shape. So that's one of the major benefits of polygel nails versus acrylic, because I do know that acrylic, can be fast drying and you kind of have to move quicker than you would with polygel nails. Then also, it's very easy to file. I think I filmed this entire video without using a nail drill. Now, I do have one, but I did this entire video using nothing but a hand file because I wanted to show you guys that it's very easy to do. And this is what I mean when I say it's beginner friendly, because I only did this with a nail file. So it's that easy to shape. And then also, they do last just the same amount of time that the acrylic or gel nails do last. I think it's getting ready to come up, but I do show you guys my nails. And these nails I have had on since October 17th. No, the Wednesday of Sweetie's Day. And I literally just took them off November 18th. So yeah, they lasted for a month, and I'm sure they would have lasted longer. I just wanted them off. But if anybody is wondering, they do last that long. So you wouldn't have to worry about them popping off or anything like that. Now, the major thing that I think you guys will be happy about is the price. Now, I think I paid $50 for the PolyGel kit that I bought. And it came with 6 tubes, 6 different color polygel tubes. It came with an LED lamp, the nail file, the top coat, base coat. It literally came with everything. If I can, I'll link it down below if I can find it for you guys. But I only paid $50, and that literally included everything that you need to do a full set. And not only that, because it did come with 6 tubes, you'll be able to do multiple sets. You know what I mean? So that's really the great thing about polygel, is that it really is affordable for everyone to access. And I think I purchased mine off Amazon or whatever. I think Amazon Prime. So yeah, the price point is really, really, really affordable. Now, the only downside to doing polygel nails is the time that it may take you to complete your first set. But I think that's with anything. When you're starting or practicing something new, it may take you a little bit of time. I think my first set that I did, it took me maybe three and a half hours, I think. to complete an entire full set. But the more you work with the product and the more you get to, know and learn more about nails, of course, the quicker you become. So it's really not that bad. So if you guys cannot tell, I definitely recommend PolyGel nails if you're just starting out with learning how to do your nails. It's definitely easy. It's definitely beginner friendly. As you guys know, this is not a tutorial. You're just more so watching me work. But if you want a full in-depth tutorial on how I apply polygels, just give this video a thumbs up. But I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work, watch me do my little sister's nails. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You said you much more talk about. Enough is enough. I don't wanna talk about. It's enough.